The Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Gen 2 headphones are at their lowest price in months. Discover the best deal on Bose's Quiet Comfort Ultra Gen 2 headphones. Now $50 off. Offering premium noise cancellation for travelers. Perfect for long flights or commutes. These top-rated headphones are at their lowest price in months. Appaloosa upped its bet on this airline during the fourth quarter. While adding to tech and selling off financials, Appaloosa management increased its investment in American Airlines in major tech stocks in Q4. While reducing holdings in financial firms, the strategic shift highlights a focus on travel and technology amid market fluctuations. Aurora's driverless trucks can now travel farther distances faster than human drivers. Aurora's autonomous trucks achieve a superhuman milestone, covering *1,000 miles in 15 hours, outpacing human drivers in speed and efficiency. CEO Chris Urmson calls it a breakthrough for freight logistics. Airbnb expects a continued travel rebound this year. As it banks on new services, Airbnb anticipates sustained travel recovery in 2024. Expanding into hotels, a sector it once aimed to disrupt, the platform is leveraging new services to capitalize on growing demand and diversify its offerings. Amid evolving travel trends, ASOS co-founder dies in fall from 18-story building in Thailand. British fashion entrepreneur Quentin Griffiths, co-founder of online retailer ASOS, died after a fall from an 18-story building in Pattaya, Thailand. Police ruled out foul play, confirming an accidental accident. The incident has shocked the global fashion industry. Police assessing Stansted Airport private flights over Epstein ties. Essex police are investigating private flights linked to Stansted Airport amid reports of potential ties to Jeffrey Epstein. Authorities are assessing available information regarding movements in and out of the facility, raising concerns over possible connections to the late financier's activities. Police assess information around private flights to and from Stansted after Epstein files released. Police investigate new details about Jeffrey Epstein's private flights to and from London's Stansted Airport following the release of court documents. The files reveal links to his alleged sex trafficking ring, including flights tied to Ghislaine Maxwell's alleged crimes between 1994 to 2004. Authorities reassess travel records amid ongoing investigations. Could dual nationals without a British passport be stopped at the border? UK authorities are reportedly considering new measures that could restrict dual nationals without a British passport at border checkpoints, raising concerns over travel rights and potential disruptions for international travelers. The move sparks debates on national security and immigration policies. Chinese tourists shun Japan over Lunar New Year holiday as rift deepens. China's Lunar New Year travel surge bypasses Japan as diplomatic tensions over Taiwan escalate. With Prime Minister Kishida's firm stance on Taiwan, Chinese tourists are avoiding Japan, pushing it out of the top 10 holiday destinations. Will relations improve before the next festive season? Several vehicles crash and others stuck near Glenshee due to heavy snow. Heavy snow near Glenshee has caused travel chaos. Multiple vehicles crashed, and others are stuck, disrupting traffic flow. The road is currently experiencing severe delays and hazardous conditions due to the adverse weather. Travelers are advised to avoid the area. East Coast Rail disruption live. Updates as landslide sees, do not travel warning, issued. A landslide in Yorkshire has caused major disruptions on the East Coast Main Line, impacting train services to Tyneside. Travelers are advised against traveling on this line due to the ongoing situation. Check for updates and alternative routes. Fury over plans to permanently close tourist attraction in iconic town. Plans to permanently close a historic tourist attraction are facing backlash, with concerns raised about the potential negative impact on tourism and the local retiree community. Campaigners argue that the closure would significantly harm the town. From vaginoplasty to forehead reducing, medical tourism comes to UK. The International Health Tourism Expo in London promotes medical tourism, where individuals can undergo procedures like vaginoplasty or forehead reduction at significantly lower costs than in the UK. Patients can recover in sunny locations, combining affordable healthcare with a vacation. Even with their flaws, Ireland can travel to Twickenham and win. Following post-match events, Andy Farrell witnessed a setback at Murrayfield. Despite potential challenges, the article suggests Ireland has the capability to achieve victory at Twickenham. The piece implies that even with existing weaknesses, Ireland possesses the strength to overcome obstacles and secure a win in the upcoming match. In today's link between Mercury in Pisces and Jupiter in Cancer, one sign needs to what they enjoy, says Jemima Kana, while another should trust their abilities. Today's astrological alignment emphasizes intuition over logic. Thoughts radiate outwards, like sonar, suggesting a time for trusting your abilities and embracing personal enjoyment. It's a period where emotional intelligence and self-trust are favored over rigid, linear thinking, encouraging exploration of inner feelings. The saga of a £165 million rail line that keeps causing travel chaos. Despite massive taxpayer investment, Cornwall's rail link remains plagued by disruptions, with weather and infrastructure issues repeatedly derailing plans. Residents and travelers continue to face delays as authorities struggle to keep the line operational. Free public transport pilot gets underway in Glasgow. A pilot project in Glasgow is providing 1,000 residents with free, unlimited access to public transport. The initiative aims to assess the impact of free transport on residents in the city. This trial could influence future transport policies. 5 European city breaks that are cheaper than an English train ticket. This article highlights 5 European city breaks that are surprisingly more affordable than a UK train ticket. It suggests exploring budget-friendly destinations as alternatives to domestic rail travel, offering a cost-effective way to experience different cultures and cities without breaking the bank. 7 European destinations from Manchester Airport for under £200. Manchester Airport anticipates 1 million passengers this February half-term. Budget-conscious travelers can explore 7 European destinations for under £200. These affordable getaways offer a chance to escape the ordinary without breaking the bank, making travel accessible for families and individuals alike. El Paso Airport closure could see unauthorized planes shot down by feds after travel hub was suddenly closed for 10 days for unspecified, special security reasons. El Paso Airport abruptly closed for 10 days due to special security reasons, prompting a stern warning. Unauthorized aircraft entering the airspace may face being shot down by federal authorities. The sudden closure late Tuesday night raised significant security concerns. According to the notice,